Making money on eBay is a great way to turn your unwanted items into cash or to start your own business selling products online. Here are some tips for making money on eBay. Start by finding items to sell. You can do this by looking through your own home for items you no longer need to use, or by purchasing items at garage sales, thrift stores, or wholesale suppliers. Take high-quality photos of your items. This will help them stand out and attract more buyers. Make sure the photos are well lit and show the item from multiple angles. Write detailed and accurate product descriptions. Be sure to include any defects or damage and describe the item as accurately as possible. Price your items competitively. Do some research on similar items to see how much they are selling for and price your items accordingly. Utilize eBay's promotion tools. You can boost your sales by using features like best offer, promoted listings, and promote your item. Be responsive to buyer inquiries. Respond to questions and concerns quickly and professionally to build a positive reputation. Ship your items promptly. Be sure to package your items securely and ship them as soon as possible after the sale. Consider specialized niche markets. You can make more money by focusing on a specific market such as vintage clothing, collectibles, or electronics. Consider dropshipping. If you don't want to handle the inventory yourself, consider using a dropshipping service that will handle the shipping and handling for you. Be patient. Building a successful business on eBay takes time, but with hard work and dedication, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. First, it's important to have a solid understanding of the platform and its policies. eBay has a set of guidelines that you must follow as a seller, so be sure to familiarize yourself with these before listing your items. You should also make sure you understand how to properly list items, set up your account, and handle payments. Another important aspect of making money on eBay is building a positive reputation. This means providing excellent customer service, being prompt with shipping, and responding to any questions or concerns that buyers may have. Positive feedback from buyers can go a long way in attracting more customers and increasing your sales. It's also a good idea to diversify your listings. Instead of just selling one type of item, try listing a variety of different products. This can help you reach a broader audience and increase your chances of making a sale. Lastly, you can also consider offering free shipping to attract more buyers. Many buyers look for free shipping options when searching for items on eBay, so it can be a great way to increase your sales. In conclusion, making money on eBay can be a great way to turn your unwanted items into cash or even start your own business. With the right approach and a bit of patience, you can build a successful business on the platform. By following the tips outlined in this article, you can increase your chances of making money on eBay and reach your financial goals.